Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to use shapes, arrows, and connectors in Miro in 2025. These tools are perfect for organizing ideas, creating flowcharts, and showing relationships between concepts. Step 1. Open your Miro board and look at the left toolbar. Click the Shapes tool. You can choose rectangles, circles, triangles, and more. Click on the board to place your shape and type inside it if you want. Step 2. Resize or move the shape by dragging the corners and change colors or borders. Step 3. To add an arrow or connector, hover near the edge of a shape. Small blue dots will appear. Drag from one dot to another shape to create a connector line. Step 4. Change the line style, thickness, or arrow type from the options at the top. You can make it straight, curved, or angled. Step 5. Use connectors to show the flow between steps, link sticky notes to categories, or map out a process. Step 6. Group shapes and connectors together to keep everything organized as you move sections around your board. And that is it. That's how you use shapes, arrows, and connectors in Miro in 2025 to make your boards more visual and structured. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.